Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you'll create the zoom transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Make sure you have the videos you need in the timeline. Go to the effects panel and search for transform. It will be under distort. Apply transform to both clips. Now go to the end frame of the beginning clip and under transform go to scale and select the stopwatch icon. Change the scale to what you want. I'm going to choose 175. Now go around 3 to 5 frames as your preference, back using your left control key on your keyboard. Now add another keyframe and select the scale size to your default scale, which is 100 in my case. Now go to the next clip's beginning, add a keyframe and select a scale bigger than your default but smaller than the new scale in the previous keyframe. I am selecting 150. Now go 5 frames forward and add a keyframe and change scale to 100. To get the blur effect, we are going to select both the keyframes and untick this box and change the shutter angle to 360. The greater the shutter angle, the bigger the blur. Also right click on keyframes and select Auto Bezier. Repeat to the other 2 keyframes as well. So there you have it guys, and hope you learned something new. Make sure you like and leave any of your questions down below, and we'll see you in the next time. Peace.